Alrighty guys, I've got about 30 minutes to knock this out because we are going to SeaWorld here in the next 20 minutes. But anyway, in today's video, we used AI to generate $36,000 in 27 days, and here's how we did it. So I run an AI automation agency that helps my clients profit in the almost $400 billion e-learning market. Guys, AI is amazing. It has never been easier in today's day and age to make money and grow a business online. So recently, a client of mine reached out and he said that he wanted to launch a boot camp. After understanding their goals, I discovered the following. Their number one goal was to grow a list of raving fans. Their second goal was to build value-based relationships fast. Their third goal was to nurture connections that they previously made at a recent event that they attended. Their fourth goal was to recoup as much ad spend as possible while keeping a high ROI. And their fifth goal, most important, was to sell a $40,000 mentorship. Now, one of the easiest ways to get results for your clients is to create a content strategy plan based around what's already working in their business right now. Now, for our content strategy plans, we use ChatGPT, Jasper, and Claude to write our content. The next thing we did was help them create and craft a stellar offer that included the 4 ingredients: content, tools, case studies, and bonuses. We then used ChatGPT to generate 90% of the content up front. We then had to refine the content to match their brand voice. Sometimes ChatGPT just sucks at being a real person, so you always have to edit whatever it produces. We then grabbed all the content that ChatGPT produced, repurposed those, and turned those into both posts and emails, and then we scheduled them out. Now, the way I like to do my launches is by following a 3-step process. Step number 1 is pre-launch. This is everything you do before you launch so that you can create the hype and excitement based around the launch that you have coming up. Step number 2 is launch. This is where you launch your offer based around urgency and scarcity. Step number 3 is post-launch. This is where you fulfill on your promised offer, create results for your students, and create FOMO for those who didn't join so that they will join on the next run. Once launched and following our 3-step launch formula, we help them do $36,000 in 27 days. Hey guys, what is up? Tucker Forwardy here. Just wanted to bring you up to speed on one of the case studies that we've been launching as of late. This is for the 5-day boot camp that we've been launching, and I just wanted to show you again some of the stats and sales that we've been doing. So again, it is December 30th, 2022, and we are looking at 10:10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So far, we've done now over 30 grand during the past week, I would say, from this 5-day boot camp. And I just wanted to show you again just some of the stats. And so again, we're looking at 10 payments here of 97 bucks. So basically $1,000 there. We got 2,000, we got 3,000, we got 4,000, we've got 5,000, we've got a $10,000 payment coming up. So 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, there's that. So plus now 10, so 18,000, okay, 19,000, 20,000, 21,000, 22,000, 23,000, 24, 25, 26, 27 with now a 3,002, so about $30,000 there now. 31, that's a test payment, so again, let's just round up to 31,000. And again, we're still in December, just during the past 10 days for when we actually started launching this. So not just exactly 7 days, but now over 7 days, 10 days for now. We've also generated about 700 leads so far. So anyway, pretty cool stuff. Very excited on these current results. And we've been pitching and soft pitching during the past little bit the higher ticket programs that we are launching, as you can see from the higher ticket sales. And so we are actually going to now start pushing a little bit harder on the higher ticket programs that we are launching after this 5-day boot camp. If you want to start your very own AI automation agency, here's what you should do next. Step number 1, watch my complete guide on how to start your very own AI automation agency. In this video, I go over how to create offers, how to leverage AI, how to get clients, and how to get results. Step number 2, check out all of the links in the description below and get started. The rise of AI is creating huge opportunities. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment any questions that you have below, and I will see you on the next video.